Ever wondered why engineers are obsessed with coffee and spreadsheets? Hold that thought, because what you're about to discover might just blow your mind. 1. The myth of the perfect job. Forget finding the perfect engineering job right out of college. It's a myth. The reality? Your first job will likely be a stepping stone. You'll learn more from your mistakes than your successes. Embrace the chaos, and remember, every engineer starts somewhere. Even Tony Stark didn't build his first Iron Man suit overnight. 2. The art of problem solving, not just math. Surprise! Engineering isn't just about solving equations and drawing blueprints. It's about tackling real-world problems with creative solutions. Think of it as being part Sherlock Holmes, part MacGyver. Whether it's figuring out why your prototype won't work or how to cut costs on a project, problem-solving skills are your best friend. 3. Communication is key. Yes, engineers need people skills. You'll be working with teams, presenting your ideas, and sometimes explaining complex concepts to non-engineers. Clear and concise communication can make or break your project. Remember, even the best designs can fail if no one understands them. 4. Continuous learning. Graduating with an engineering degree is just the beginning. Technology evolves faster than a new iPhone release, and so should you. Embrace lifelong learning. Take courses, earn certifications, attend workshops. Staying current keeps you relevant and ahead of the curve. 5. The reality of deadlines. Deadlines are the heartbeat of engineering projects. They're relentless, often unrealistic, and always stressful. Learning to manage your time effectively and prioritize tasks is crucial. Pro tip: always add a buffer to your timeline for those inevitable last-minute changes. 6. Failure is inevitable. Failure isn't just an option, it's a certainty. Designs will flop, prototypes will crash, and sometimes, everything will go wrong. But that's okay. Failure is the best teacher. Each setback is a lesson in disguise, leading you one step closer to success. 7. Networking. It's who you know. Networking isn't just for business majors. Building a strong professional network can open doors to opportunities you didn't know existed. Attend industry events, join engineering societies, and don't be afraid to reach out on LinkedIn. Your next job might come from a connection you make today. 8. The importance of soft skills. Soft skills, like teamwork, leadership, and adaptability, are just as important as technical skills. They're the secret sauce that makes a good engineer great. Being able to lead a team, resolve conflicts, and adapt to changing circumstances can set you apart from your peers. 9. The work-life balance dilemma. Engineering can be demanding, and finding a work-life balance is a constant struggle. It's easy to get caught up in the excitement of a new project and forget to take breaks. But remember, burnout is real. Make time for hobbies, exercise, and relaxation to maintain your mental and physical health. 10. The satisfaction of making a difference. Despite the challenges, engineering is incredibly rewarding. There's nothing quite like the satisfaction of seeing your designs come to life and knowing you've contributed to something bigger. Whether it's a bridge, a medical device, or a software application, engineers have the power to change the world. So there you have it, the 10 things every engineer wishes they knew before starting. Whether you're just beginning your journey or you've been in the field for years, remember, it's all about the journey, the challenges, and the relentless pursuit of innovation. Now, go out there and engineer a better future.